Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview 8 by 12 foot by 52-inch oval above ground pool. Take in the summertime, sun splashing and playing in the Deluxe 8 by 12 foot by 52-inch above ground pool. This outdoor pool is a perfect fit for almost any backyard. This made of hot-dipped galvanized steel walls strengthened with deep corrugation, molded resin covers, galvanized steel ledges and verticals, and universal top and bottom steel rails and plates. Tru-Lock wall closure offers a newly designed fastening system for maximum strength, greater wall stability, and a faster, easier assembly. The package includes GLI Uni-Bead liner South Beach, sand filter, and locking A-frame ladder. With the sturdy design, you'll be able to enjoy pool time year after year. Product benefits: corrugated steel pool wall for flexibility and vertical strength. This pool carries a 20-year warranty backed by Hollowell Industries. Includes sand filter system with 1 horsepower pump. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.